In lesson 12 of course A, what we need to do is to follow the instructions that they give us over here in order to know what to do. So in the first one, it tells me to move blocks and see what will happen. So I'm just going to put many blocks over here and maybe change in them. In the second practice, they want George, the dog, to say hi there. So I'm going to put say hi there and click run. In this level, they want us to use this block in order to move George towards the flag. So I need to put under this block that is right here, I need to put move, and I need to make sure that the arrows are in this direction, which is the west. Click run. And then I need to click on this arrow in order to move him. In this level, I need to move George west and east. We already did the west side. Now we need to put another block next to it and put another move over here. If this is west, this is the same. If this is east, this should be also the same. In this level, we already did the west and the east. Now we need to do the up, as they say, and the down, which means the north and south. And of course, put move under each and fix the arrows. This is north, north, south, south. Of course, in the keyboard, you can use the same keys in order to move him. As we already programmed George to move according to our keys in the keyboard, now we need to try something. Make this more interesting by changing the background and playing a random sound. So I need to put a background, okay? And then I need to play a random sound when we click on George. In the last level, we want the dinosaur to disappear when George runs into him. So we will put when and put over here, we're going to put, instead of show, hide.